Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dot2Dot Maker, a tool that helps you create fun dot-to-dot pages really easily, just like the example you're seeing on the screen. First, I'll log in to Dot2Dot Maker to get started. Once logged in, this is the main interface of the app. To begin, we need to set up a few options in the Settings panel. In Canvas page size, you can choose from various page sizes, and this will also be the final output size when exporting your file. Next, enable Safe Area to display the content boundary, making sure everything stays within the safe zone and doesn't get cut off when printing according to Amazon KDP standards. If you need bleed, simply turn on the Add Bleed option. Once the setup is done, switch to the Image tab to prepare the image for your dot-to-dot page. Here, you have two choices: upload an image from your computer or use the built-in AI to generate an outline image. In the Generate AI tab, you can enter a simple idea or use a custom prompt. For example, type "a full-body Santa Claus" and click Generate. The system will create a sharp, clean image that works perfectly for dot-to-dot conversion. In this video, I'll use a pre-made image, upload it, and drag it directly onto the canvas. After that, you can scale the image up or down so it fits within the safe area, and adjust its position to make it balanced before you start placing the dots. To make dot placement easier to see, you can reduce the image opacity. Click the image, open Image Filters, and adjust opacity to a suitable level. Next, open the drawing menu and select Enable Dot Mode to start adding dots. The toolbar will display several options such as number position, dot size, number size and spacing between the dots and the numbers. Just adjust them to fit your design. Adding dots is simple. Click anywhere on the canvas, and the numbering will increase automatically. If needed, click on the dot to customize. To restart numbering from 1, click Start from 1. To continue an existing sequence, select any dot in that sequence, then click Continue Sequence. To delete a dot, first select it by clicking on it. Then, press the Delete key and the sequence will update automatically. To move a dot, simply click and drag it to a new position. Don't worry about losing your work. The app saves automatically as you go. For extra peace of mind, you can also press the Save button at any time. When you need to get a closer look or work on fine details, the mini-map is your best tool. Just click the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner to zoom in, out, or move around. For a faster way to pan, you can also hold the Alt key and drag your mouse. And if you ever lose your spot, simply click Reset Zoom to get back to the full view. Continue adding dots until the entire outline is covered. I'll fast forward to save time. Great! Once all your dots are in place, it's time to erase the original outline. To get started, just click to enable Eraser Mode. Remember, you can still use the mini-map to zoom in for those tricky spots. You can pick a brush size from the toolbar that feels right for you. Then, simply click and drag along the lines you want to remove. And don't worry, this tool is smart. It only removes the original image, so your dots are completely safe. If you make a mistake, you can simply press Ctrl+Z to undo the last action. Just like before, I'm going to speed up this part to save some time. And there you have it. Your basic dot-to-dot page is complete. Now, let's make the solution image visible again. Simply click the image, head back to Image Filters, and set the opacity all the way back to 100%. Now that the core dot-to-dot is done, let's add some finishing touches to make it stand out. You can easily add text and shapes to your page. For any text you add, you can change the font, alignment, color, and size. And for shapes, you can adjust their size, border, and background color. It's all very intuitive and helps you create a balanced, professional-looking page. Feel free to experiment with the layout until you're happy with it. The key here is to always keep your important elements, like text and graphics, inside that safe area to guarantee a perfect print. You also have full control over your project's pages. It's simple to duplicate a page, add a new one, or delete any you no longer need. When everything looks just right, click the download button. You can also choose to download just one page or all of them at once. You can choose from PNG, JPG, or PDF formats. All files are exported at 300 dpi, which is ideal for printing. And here is the final downloaded page. As you can see, it's ready to be published directly on Amazon KDP. Thank you for watching this demo. See you inside Dot2Dot Maker.